Hi there, my name is Nick Martelaro and I'm a faculty member here in the HCII. My research group looks at what designers are doing when they design, and then researches how to build new tools, methods, and processes to help augment what designers do so that they can do their jobs better. I myself am really interested in interactive systems, and I have built a number of interactive systems such as robotic couches, automotive data collection systems, and interactive speakers. What my research group focuses on is building design tools and studying how they influence design processes. I'm particularly interested in understanding how to do interaction design for physical autonomous systems. So you can think about things like autonomous cars, personal robots, and digital assistants. And specifically, designing the behaviors that these products are going to have with people and creating great user experiences with them. Now, I'm really motivated by this quote from Terry Winograd in The Design of Interaction. Successful interaction design requires a shift from seeing the machinery to seeing the lives of the people using it. And this motivates a lot of my work in thinking about how to build new tools to help designers. So for example, a project that I did with Renault-Nissan looked at understanding driver experience with currently available autonomous systems. So we set up a remote observation and contextual inquiry system where we could observe people driving in semi-automated vehicles and ask them about their experience. In this case, you can see that we're going to be asking someone about what it's like to be in full kind of driverless mode and what are they paying attention to. And we do this through a number of computing tools and network systems where we can actually put designers in the loop, sort of give them this mission control station that allows them to see high definition video, telemetry coming from the systems, and also to be able to actively interact and have a conversation with people as they're interacting with a system like this. And this allows them to really get close to what the real world experience looks like. It also allows us to explore a future where products themselves can actually start to ask questions about the experience that people are going through, such that we can give that information back to designers and support them. I've also done some other work looking at interactive prototyping in the wild. A project that I did with Spotify looked at how we could design speech agents for music interaction. We did this with a system that I built called DJBot, which was an interactive radio that you could use both in your car or at home. And we actually had designers from Spotify work to interactively prototype speech interactions. The cool thing about this is that they could do this from anywhere in the world. So for example, we had people from coast to coast actually interacting with drivers. We're actually using these methods to explore all kinds of different areas now. For example, here's a case where we're doing remote ethnography with farm workers using semi-automated tractor equipment in upstate New York. Now, in my work, we collect all kinds of qualitative and quantitative data about user experience, and I'm also really interested in understanding how to help scale up the way that we can do user research and the way we can process that data. I've done a lot of projects where we've done large-scale data collections, say of automotive interaction, where we can collect huge amounts of information. And I've been thinking about how to scale up our qualitative research tools utilizing AI-based methods such as computer vision and natural language processing. I've also been looking recently into developing ways that computers can support designers in thinking differently during their design process. One project I have is looking at how computers can ask designerly questions. So along with some collaborators of mine at Accenture Technology Labs, we've built a system that can actually generate questions in a design for X manner, say designing something for sustainability or safety or security. For example, in this case, we ask about an autonomous vehicle and safety. I will say that sometimes we do get results that look that are actually quite humorous, but maybe make us think differently. For example, is this really the kind of technology that will make anyone safer? So if you're interested in design methods and tools, in interaction design, and in autonomous systems, or any of the other areas that I've listed off to the left, please reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you about research opportunities. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.